Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Noble Fokus Triumph Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to your device, or they will not pair with Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing to your device, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset to factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to delete all of the pairing history of the earbuds and get a fresh start to pair them with a new device, this is a good procedure to do for that. So all we need to do, if we want to do this, is we're going to go ahead and put the earbuds in the case, charging as we see here in the image. And then we're going to come over and we're going to find this reset button, which is in between the earbuds. And we're going to press and hold it for 6 seconds. And we should see the blue indicator light on the case blink blue, indicating that the earbuds are resetting, at which point we can close the case, open the case, take the earbuds out, and pair them as a new set of earbuds.